kind of a different type of research, also on some of these lizards that are found only in Australia. And what I'm interested in is the fact that you have, for example, two species like this that are somewhat closely related. They're in the same family. However, you have one bigger lizard with very large legs, and one lizard that, if you can see it, actually has very tiny, tiny legs. So this may be moving around the landscape almost more like a snake, or maybe living more underground. And this is something that's walking around more like your typical lizard on the surface. And even though we might find them in the same place, the reality is that they are probably using the landscape in very different ways. So I'm using museum specimens and collection information to get genetic data, and also to get the exact locations that they were found at, so that I can then look at the patterns in the genetics and the patterns of formations on the landscape to understand how the landscape impacts the movements of these types of birds. So that can tell us a lot about their ecology, and also about how similar or different things may be related to the morphology.